Hi, my name is Baily. I am a salesperson here at the Green Bay Byrider location. Today I just want to go over our program and what it is that we do here at Byrider. We are a credit rebuilding dealership, so we try to help those that may have issues with their credit or are trying to rebuild their credit. We understand everyone's situation is different, so regardless of past repos, bankruptcy, whatever it is that you may have impacting your credit, we are here for second chances. So we try to help you out. We understand life happens. So we'd have you come in, fill out an application. We try to keep everything short and simple. So the application usually takes about 15-20 minutes. Then we get everything sent right over to our bank. We work with one bank. They only work with us. So we typically hear back from them within 20 minutes, sometimes even less. Then we get a list of vehicles ready for you. You then test drive from those vehicles and choose which vehicle fits you. So our bank budgets everything out. We get you a payment that is affordable. We want to see you guys succeed. We want to see you make those payments. We want to see you build up that credit. That way, by the end of this loan, you can go to whatever dealership you want and get whatever vehicle you want. So if you're ready to start rebuilding your credit, please give us a call at 920-455-7788. Thank you.